Now the presence of being, of your being, the awake presence. Right now, for everybody in this room, you're hearing these words through the awake presence. That's what's awake right now. The awake presence. That's what's awake. That's what's taking all of this in. And yet we can't reach out and grab it, can we? You can't reach out and grab awakeness or presence or consciousness or enlightenment. You can't do it. You can grab anything but the truth. Remember I said you can mess with anything except the truth. You can't mess with the truth. It's like trying to mess with the air in the room. Good luck. Buy a Ginsu knife set and start slicing through the air in the room. You're just going to look silly. You can't mess with the truth. So that's the beautiful thing about it. So no matter what you believe, no matter what opinions one has, no matter what one's theology, no matter what one's ideas are, no matter what your past is, your present, the truth of your being is the same. And the truth of your being is taking in these words right now. I guarantee you the truth of your being is not mistaking these words as the truth. The truth of your being knows that these words that I'm speaking are not the truth. The truth is the awake presence that's taking the words in. That's what's true. That which is always awake. Have you noticed that instinctively, intuitively, everybody in this room, if you're not too caught in your thinking for a moment, there's something in you that knows it's something that's always been awake in your life. That's recorded everything that's happened. There's a basic consciousness, call it what you will, awareness, that's been there your whole life. And yet the funny thing is, the one thing that's been there your whole existence is the one thing about yourself that you can't grasp. Just go ahead, try to think about it. Think about the one thing that's always been there. There has been awareness or consciousness that's taken in every event that's happened to your life. It's watched your body and your mind and your personality go from infancy to childhood to adolescence to adulthood. It's watched all that happen. It's watching this moment happen. It will watch the next moment happen. But that awakeness itself is the one thing that's always been, and it's the one thing about you that you can't grasp. You can't even really think about it. It eludes every attempt at definition. And yet, even as your mind confuses yourself, guess what's aware of the confusion? There's the awake presence. Totally awake to confusion. So this is sort of seems like a paradox, a mystery, that the very thing about you that's always been is the only thing about you that you can't grasp, that you can't define, that you can't hold. The very thing about you that's always existed isn't an idea, isn't a belief, isn't some agenda for your life. The very thing that's always existed is not really a thing at all. if you could bat your eyes or suddenly have some memory of 10,000 past lifetimes, still, the same thing, the same exact presence would have existed through all of that. And here it is in this one. No different, really. "10,000 lifetimes, nothing's really changed."